Here we've got VIVO Y33s, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer. Here we've got contacts. Actually, I don't have any of them, but still tap on more icon, select settings, and here you will notice block numbers. Click on it, and you can either block all unknown colors, so just click on it to block all unidentified colors. You can unblock them the same way, or you can add some number manually. Just click on add a number and provide it right here. Tap on block then, and that would be all. Then you can remove it by tapping on the cross icon. Whenever you would like to block some particular contact of yours, let me add some contact, create new contact. It can be Lisa. Tap on save. And for example, if you'd like to block this contact, this color, just mark Lisa, tap on more icon and select block numbers. Confirm it, and as you can see, from now on she is blocked. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.